All right, so here is another question. By the way, this time around it's a blackboard, so I hope you like blackboards. Yeah, so S8 and then we have O2 and then we have SO3. You see the here we have S, right? This is S8. It means that I could actually just write 1 over 8 here. And that will make my S1 on the left hand side. That balances that already. If I have O3 on the right hand side, and here I have O2 on the left, it means that if I want my O to be 3, then I'll just put 3 over 2 here. So that it's like I'm forcing the O to become 3. Okay? By placing that fraction. So you see that? Yeah. So now we will eliminate the fraction. What's the fraction we have here? 8 and 2, right? The LCM of 8 and 2 is probably 8. So I'll just multiply through by 8 and see what that gives me. So multiply through by 8, and then I have S8, 1 of it, plus, if I use 8 to multiply here, it's like saying 8 times 3 over 2. So that gives me what? 12, right? 1202. And then 8 times SO3, of course, will just give me 8 SO3. Now, if you look at this, you realize that your sulfur is 8 on both sides, and your oxygen is 24 on both sides. You see that? So this is a very interesting way to balance your chemical equation. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, and that's how it's done. Okay. Bye.